Welcome to 76 Dalmation Crescent, a wonderful 4-bedroom executive home situated within the highly desirable Highland Creek neighbourhood of Toronto. Featuring a brick exterior, a double-car garage with additional driveway parking for up to 4 vehicles, as well as an interlocking walkway to an enclosed front entrance, this home has been well maintained by the original owner and offers just over 3,100 square feet of interior living space, beginning with a ceramic tiled foyer and reception area that has a cathedral ceiling and is open to the upper level. Warm wood finishes are found throughout the home, including interior doors, door and window trims, baseboards, as well as parquet hardwood flooring in the living, dining, and family rooms, the den, and in the upper level hallway and bedrooms. The formal living and dining rooms are open to each other, and their generous size offers exceptional entertaining space. The dining room has the convenience of direct access to the kitchen and the ambient lighting of a chandelier, while natural lighting fills both it and the living room through windows dressed with elegant draperies. The family room overlooks the backyard, and this casual entertaining space enjoys a south-facing exposure that fills the room with bright, natural light, while a corner brick fireplace brings additional warmth during the cool weather months. The adjacent den is ideal as a private home office, yet could be easily converted for use as a bedroom. The ceramic flooring of the foyer space flows into the kitchen and breakfast area, both which enjoy the bright, natural lighting of their south-facing exposure. The kitchen is additionally brightened with ceiling panel lighting, and this wonderful work area also features abundant cabinetry storage and counter workspace, a ceramic tiled backsplash, a stainless steel double sink with a window for backyard views, and includes the stainless steel fridge and stove. The sliding door walkout from the breakfast area opens onto an interlocking patio area in the south-facing and fenced-in backyard, a lovely outdoor space surrounded by seasonal shade trees. The foyer and upper-level hallway are brightened by both a chandelier and natural lighting through a second-story window. And completing the main level is a mirrored door double coat closet, a powder room, as well as a sunken laundry room with washer, dryer, and direct access to the garage. To both the upper and lower levels are beautiful oak staircases and railings. And, in addition to the 3,100 square feet of main and upper level living space, the unspoiled lower level of this home has a very generously sized footprint that offers amazing potential for future household and entertaining space. The upper level features 4 graciously sized and naturally bright bedrooms and 2 washrooms. The 4th bedroom has a double closet, and adjacent to it is a hallway linen closet and the main 4-piece washroom, which has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. And this washroom is also shared by the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms, both which feature walk-in closets. Through a double-door entry is the south-facing master bedroom, which overlooks the backyard. This sun-washed personal retreat also features an ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes, a soaker tub, a separate shower area with glass door, and a rough-in for a bidet, while along the hallway into this washroom is both a double closet and a walk-in closet. a short walk to Meadowvale Public School, Bramber Woods Park, and public transit. This home also has quick, easy access to Highway 401, while Colonel Danforth Park, shopping plazas, the Toronto Pan Am Sports Centre, as well as campuses for Centennial College and the University of Toronto are all just short drives away.